What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a very simple and inexpensive mod that will make your car look so much better. We actually have to go somewhere else first, run a couple errands, and then we're gonna go to Inside Out Detailing here in Massachusetts. All right, here we are, pulling up to Savers. I highly urge you guys to donate the stuff you guys don't need anymore, like for example, clothing or shoes, because there's always going to be somebody out there that's way less fortunate than you are. So just donate the stuff that you do not need anymore. Starbucks over Dunkin'. Alrighty, let's do this.
Head north toward University Avenue.
Alright, and here we are. We are here at Inside Out Detailing. I'm gonna see if it's okay to record. If it's not, then I guess I'll just see you guys later. We just finished up at Inside Out Detailing. As you guys probably guessed by now, we got some window tints. I got the darkest possible legal window tint here in the state of Massachusetts. What's that? Because when I had my C43, there's just way too many cops that would pull me over just for my window tints and stuff. That one was about 19%. This one is 35%. So now the cops can't pull me over for just my window tint. They can pull me over for other things. Let me know what you guys think about the look. I think the window tints are the cheapest and best modifications you can do to any car. It just improves the look so much. So I got the rear windshield tinted, and then the two windows on the driver's side and on the passenger side over here. Not only does it make the car look better, but it actually protects the interior from the sun's UV rays. If you guys are in the Massachusetts area and you're looking to get your windows tinted or get some PPF done or wraps or anything, come to Inside Out Detailing. I definitely will be returning in the summertime for a new wrap, and I don't think anybody has ever done it before on a GTS, let alone another car. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Done finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there.